Hello, I made some more progress on my radio control transmitter project. I've put everything onto a prototype board here, just sort of soldered everything together kind of roughly on the back, and I now have all the inputs from the PlayStation controller here being sent to the Arduino here, and you can see on the screen I really need to get a better camera, or one that can focus properly at least. But you can see that when I move the stick on the PlayStation controller, the little dot on the left side is moving with my controller movements. And this one is the right analog stick. And at the bottom we have the buttons. There, might as well put this down, it doesn't really help, does it? Yeah. Is it better? Okay. So the buttons are showing in the bottom left, and the bumper buttons are in the bottom middle, like that, and then there's the D-pad and the select and start buttons here as well. Pretty neat, huh? So I just have the same things on here as I had before. This is the Arduino Pro Mini and the NRF24L01 transmitter, and this is the 0.96 inch OLED screen. And we're receiving 40 packets a second at the moment, it says. It's only that slow because that's how fast the screen can be refreshed. If I tried turning the screen off, it was refreshing at about 1500 times per second. So that's how fast these controls could be being sent if the screen was not being refreshed. So that should be really good enough to control a radio controlled car and a helicopter, I think, as well. But you may be wondering, how is this communication being done? Well, what I'm not showing you is that actually over here I have, as before, we have the Android tablet. Oops. Oh. For some reason it quits when I rotate the screen. Not very good. Try again. Okay, so as you can see, the PlayStation controller is actually connecting by Bluetooth to the tablet, and it's just moving those sliders at the top like that. And then this is working as I had it before. Through the serial port, it's connecting to this other Arduino over here, and that has a radio transmitter thing on it as well. So I can actually control these sliders from the tablet screen just as well, like that. So yeah, everything is relying on having the Android tablet running in the middle at the moment, which is probably not very safe for trying to run a helicopter. So I'm thinking what I might do is make it so that the tablet is not a necessary part of the system. So I'll open this up and take these button inputs and everything directly out into the Arduino, and then use the serial connection to the Android. If it exists, it can be used, and you can have other things like I was saying before, you can use the GPS and you can get maps and everything from there. But if it doesn't exist, just fall back to simple controls from the physical sticks here. Anyway, I thought that was a pretty neat milestone, so I just thought I'd make a video about that. Alright, thanks for watching.